You guys want waves so bad but keep making the same mistakes we keep telling you guys not to make. Says who? You? You've been waving for over 1 year but you still got a lot of forks. Who are you to tell us about what methods to do and what methods not to do? A matter of fact, I'm gonna go blonde brush right now. Shut up, bro. Don't do that, man. Now the first mistake Bass Pro J just told you guys to make is blonde brushing. This is the second worst thing you can do as a beginner other than, not brushing. Blonde brushing is the opposite effect of getting waves. The point of getting waves and brushing your hair is, to create waves in your hair that are aligned until eventually all of your waves are aligned. But when you start blonde brushing, that means you're brushing your hair a different way every single time, which creates lots of forks and conjunctions, and then it makes it so your hair can never lay down. You can never get shiny hair if you blonde brush, and your waves just look bad. Blonde brushing is a cardinal sin of waving. Please do not blonde brush. Oh man, you didn't have to Draymond Green me, man. I'm just telling you something about waves. It's not that serious, bro. Dang, bro. Probably mess up my waves too. I'm gonna go ahead and shower brush and get them back, bro. They stink. Man, you must got a concussion, dog, because shower brushing is even worse than blonde brushing. Shower brushing is combining blonde brushing with the wash and style method done incorrectly, which just makes for the worst combination of methods. If you're still shower brushing in 2022, something is wrong with you. Bars. Come on, man, this ain't 2008 no more. You should know better, bro. We got so many wave YouTube videos telling you not to shower brush, but y'all are still shower brushing, man. Stop shower brushing. If you want to wash your hair, do a washing style. You'll be able to wash your waves so they be smelling nice and be more healthy. Plus, you'll make progress instead of losing almost all your progress in this one shower brushing session. And I know the reason why people still shower brush is because some of y'all lucky medium hair wavers looking at you, Sir Cruz. No, I'm just playing. But a lot of you guys with medium hair and like curls and stuff and wide curls are like, oh yeah, I just shower brushed, I just got waves in 2 minutes. It can't be that bad. No, it's bad no matter what. Y'all are influencing other people to shower brush with hair like me and hair like anyone else that just ruins their hair, ruins their waves, makes it so they can't get waves. And it's even bad for you medium hair texture people. So please do not shower brush. There's so many videos telling you not to shower brush. Take it from all of us, please do not shower brush. Do a washing style. And speaking of pool, do not get your hair wet, your waves wet under any means necessary. Water is the killer of waves. Water is the opposite to waves. Just stay away from water. If it's raining, put on your do-rag. If you're going to the pool, put on your do-rag. If you're going to the beach, put on your do-rag. If you're going to take a shower, put on your do-rag and put on a shower cap. You want to avoid getting your hair wet, man. Getting your hair wet makes you over curl. Rinsing your hair out dries it out. Brushing wet hair makes it easy to break also. And just overall just ruins your waves. So please stay away from water. Water is the enemy of waving unless you're doing a washing style. Then it's your best friend. If you don't know how to do a washing style correctly, watch this video right here, because you just need to know. It's the best and most essential method for wavers, man. So watch that video to learn how to do a washing style correctly. Thanks for watching. God bless. Hi.